Alright, Alpha, put that thing in park for a minute. Alright, Bravo, that's it. Keep going, Alpha, keep going, go, go, go.
Oh, he said
Alpha, turn your lights and siren on. And switch all the way over to the right. There you go, let it rain. Alpha, I want you to have lights and siren. You keep rolling. I get Bravo this way here in the station area. Bravo, you can move up probably about 10 feet for me, thank you.
See, we're at 50 now.
And also, you are on the clock, just for the record. Alright, Alpha, keep going straight. Remember, you got one more time around to get to those geodocks, then I'll tell you to bring it in. Alright, Bravo, go.
We're going to nail it this time, babies. You got to stay on your side of the road. You can't go over that yellow line.
Alright, Bravo, now you can switch that switch all the way over to the right. Keep going, I can talk to you, you don't need a break. Keep going. Alright, Bravo, take that switch all the way over to the right. Go ahead.
We take a left.
Hey, remember guys, unless I tell you to stop, just keep driving. You can listen to me and drive. You don't need. Good job, Alpha.